everyone and welcome back to YouTube channel Asher Talks. So in this video we are going to talk about Accenture update. So guys, recently Accenture started sending rejection mail. So as you can see on the screen, like Accenture rejection mail update on your interview and candidature status. So guys, Accenture sent rejection mail to many of the candidates recently. So we will talk about that in detail. First of all, you can see on the screen for which role Accenture is sending rejection mail. Is it for ASE role, SASA role, or AASE role? Okay, and they are from which pass out batch, when they gave interview. We will talk about everything in detail. So I request you to watch the video till the end so you get all the information. And you can join our Telegram channel and event discussion group, which will be so much helpful for all of you. Link will be in description below. So without further ado, let's get started to the video. First of all, let me show you the mail. Like this is the mail uh, received by candidate, update on your interview and candidature status. So here you can clearly see, thank you for your interest in pursuing a career with Accenture. We appreciate your time and efforts for participating in our recruitment process. We regret to inform that you have not been shortlisted for this position. So here you can see, we regret to inform. So this, if you receive this kind of mail, this is a rejection mail. Hence your recruitment journey ends here and we are closing your application request. So you have received rejection mail. You cannot apply for the next 3 months in any Accenture hiring. Okay, so I will show you one data. So here you can see, recently many of the candidates, okay, many of the candidates have receiving a joining date, that is 26th September. So many candidates are joining on 26th of September. Apart from that, okay, like they are from SASA role, ASE role, and double ASE role. Okay, so each and every role candidate have received joining for 26 September recently, and they have given their interview in July start itself. Okay, so here you can see some got like on 4th of September, on 8th of September joining date. Okay, like joining mail they have received on 4th on 8th of September, and the joining date is 26th of September. So you will receive date of joining at least 2 to 3 weeks prior. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. So if your joining is 26th of September, for example, you will receive that joining mail in starting of September or in the previous month only. Okay, so this is the data, like many candidates receive joining recently. Okay, and some of the candidates receive rejection. Okay, so here you can see, I have shown you the proof regarding 26 September joining, and you can see on 28th of August candidate have received a joining date mail. Okay, so this is the mail. Okay, and some recently got rejection. So rejection is for all the roles, like ASE role and SA role also. Candidates who have given interview in the start of July month, they have received interview result, that is rejection mail. Many of the candidates have received rejection mail, and some of the candidates have received joining also. And if you are waiting for interview result, you haven't received any selection or rejection mail, I will recommend you to wait for some time, because there are more opportunity ahead. Okay, it's only September month going on. In October month, there will be new joining date. For that particular joining date, you will receive new joining. Okay, for the candidates who haven't received any result, you will receive in next month or day after next month. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. Don't worry, don't stress much. Okay, if your performance was good, definitely you will receive selection mail, and if your performance was not good, you will receive rejection mail. Totally depend on your performance. As Accenture clearly mentioned, everything is depend on your overall performance. So keep that thing in mind. Apart from that, you can see I regularly post updates regarding job. Okay, so don't wait for only one company and depend on only one company. There are many other opportunities as well. You can apply for that opportunity, it will be helpful for you. Okay, because it depends how much opportunity you apply for, you get more chances for the joining. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have understood what I have told in the video. If you have any other doubts, you can let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this YouTube video till the end.